Hey everybody, so today is my anniversary, 19 years, and to celebrate, he ripped off his band-aid. To celebrate my anniversary, we had a day of chaos. So yesterday we were driving from Albuquerque to Colorado Springs, and the background noise is probably really loud. Colorado Springs, and Doug ran out of gas on the side of the road because his gas meter said that he had 10 miles till empty, but apparently when you pull a 1-ton RV that doesn't count, so we had to get him a gas tank. So we had to find the gas tank and diesel gas and then fill it up and then get him to a gas station, and all of that delayed us an hour, and because of that we got to Colorado Springs after dark, and Doug was behind us about an hour, and it was crazy confusing because, hold on, Wyatt. And today we'll probably do some more anniversary fun stuff, like show them where I met and where I used to live. And I'm very excited because they have my favorite restaurant, Black Eyed Pea, and it's only around the nation a few places, and it happens to be here, and we're gonna go for my anniversary dinner, so I'm very excited about that.
What's there?
It's got country food like roast beef, rolls, salad, country food.
All going there for dinner?
No, tonight I'm going with Dad, and I'll take you guys maybe on Friday.
Then what's for our dinner tonight?
I'm not sure. Anyway, it's getting kind of loud in here, so we're gonna go have some fun. See ya. We are sitting in a hot tub because we went to an RV place yesterday and it was awful. We showed up at night because of a lot of errors and stuff, and the RV place, we couldn't even get in because it was too dark. We couldn't even get in because it was too dark, and
This is AKA Dad loses gas in his truck.
Dad ran out of gas. That gave us an extra hour, and then we got to our RV place at dark, and it had barbed wire everywhere and some questionable people walking around. So anyway,
It was like 11.
I didn't want to stay there, so we parked at a Cracker Barrel, found a hotel nearby because we haven't figured out how to boondock yet, which is called dry camping, where you don't hook up to anything. And here we are, sitting in a hot tub. So we've had 2 weeks and 2 stays at a hotel. That's not very good odds. We've got to figure out what we're doing. Max just reported, "Mom, I'm not drowning." Good news. So let's just talk for a minute about dry camping. Dry camping is when you have no hookups, no electric, no sewer, no water, and you just kind of park somewhere. A lot of people do Walmart or Cabela's or Cracker Barrel because they allow that, and then you just stay overnight usually. So we haven't been brave enough to try that yet, but we're thinking after this week when we stop through Cheyenne, we're gonna try it for a night, and I'm really nervous about it. I don't know why I'm so nervous about it. We have a generator, so if we had to, we could turn that on, but not running. Of you? A video of you? I'm trying to get you to... So this morning we woke up, ran down for breakfast. There was a really mean lady at the breakfast counter who put it away exactly at 9 o'clock. And so I had to eat without a fork, and Doug had to eat cereal without a bowl. She was really mean. And Doug went ahead after we found an RV place today, a little bit south of Colorado Springs that has a playground. He went to go set up so that when we get there, everything's normal. because we're starting to feel like loser parents. I don't know. I wanted the kids to feel safe, like we knew what we were doing, we show up, we play, but instead we've been having long drives and running out of gas and pulling up to barbed wire RV parks, and I just feel like a huge failure as a mom. So we wanted Doug to go find a really nice RV park for the week so that we can stay here for a week and catch up on work. And we're gonna be signing papers to sell our house, and we need to stay in the city to do that. And this is where Doug and I met, so we're gonna show the kids all the stuff we used to do. And anyway, I'm hoping things start to feel a little normal, because so far they do not feel normal, and I like to feel things are organized and planned and predictable, and it's completely the opposite of that, so I'm stressed out a lot. So the fun hasn't started yet for mom and dad, but apparently the kids have begun the fun. Hello. Hi. Haley, interview you. Go. Sleep good?
No,
Why?
because you were snoring.
Haley gave up the hotel bed and slept on the floor so I could relax. Isn't that nice of her?
Whenever I sleep on the floor, it's bad for my back, but I don't care, because then I turn into a 93-year-old, even though I am 93.
I checked on you at 4 in the morning because you left the TV on all night
Yeah.
and you were snoring and
I woke
happily
up-
sleeping.
I woke up and I was like, what's that noise? I'm like, Grandma, is that you? And then like I see the TV, I'm like, oh, is that turn it off?
I woke up at 4
Why?
to use the bathroom and I saw the TV on and you were totally comfortable sleeping, so I was like, okay, I couldn't figure out where the buttons were, so I just left it on, and then when I woke up later, the TV was off, so I figured you must have woken up.
Yeah, I kept it under the bed.
Oh. My favorite restaurant. It's like 3 places in the nation. Here we are at my favorite restaurant. We got grilled corn, fried corn, the best chicken fried steak ever, mashed potatoes, veggies, fried okra, 2 kinds of gravy, red beans and rice, a roll, cornbread muffins, churned butter, pot roast, strawberry lemonade, and that's all. Oh no, he ate black eyed peas already. So good.